Greetings, River Lady here, and this is the second episode of Season 2's Hydrangea 911. In our first episode of the second season, I had uncovered my little hydrangea, removed all the salt marsh hay, and we saw that we had little teeny green leaves showing. Well, now you can see we have big leaves growing. So it's time to get in and remove the stems. We're going to get rid of these stems. They're not doing us any good, and just take them right off. They're not giving us any new growth. We don't have any buds on them. Get rid of those. And let's get down and get you. That's good. And now it's the beginning of June. So now it's time for it feeding. And I'm using Miracle Grow Mere Acid. As always, I don't get any money for mentioning that. Just one little scoop in the water, avoiding getting water on the leaves. I'm not expecting any flowers this year. I have no buds on the old growth. I had no buds on the old growth, which I just snipped off. This is all new growth. I'm not even sure what type of hydrangea this is. I know it's a mophead. That's about all I know. I'm leaning towards that it might be a Nico. Those seem to be the hydrangeas that the garden centers and the nurseries like to use for Easter and Mother's Day. But anyway, we'll see what happens. Okay, second episode, second season, done. Well, second season's not done, but second episode is done of Hydrangea 911. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening.